I know you heard about prebiotic and probiotic, but have you ever heard of postbiotic? Basically, postbiotic is when you eat, let's say, for example, you eat a fruit or vegetable, right? And you get fiber from that. So your gut bacteria ferments that fiber, or they have their way with it basically, and they produce another compound that is helpful to your health. That is what postbiotic is, right? So now the reason for me telling you this is because I was just eating some pomegranates and I realized I need to share this information because, some it can motivate people to eat more pomegranates. Not pomegranate juice, actual pomegranates, right? So basically pomegranate is a very good fruit and it's got some good amount of polyphenols, specifically allergic acid and allergic tannins. And these two polyphenols, when you consume them, your gut bacteria ferment them and produce something called urolithin A, right? Like I've just said, postbiotic. So basically, the frustrating part is not everybody will get this urolithin A because your gut bacteria may not produce urolithin A. They may produce something else. I don't know. But that's the one part. Some people get urolithin A, some people not. As I'm eating this, I'm thinking, am I getting urolithin A? I don't know. But the benefits of this urolithin A is that it's neuroprotective, according to research, and it's good for mitochondrial biogenesis, right? Now, what is mitochondrial biogenesis? So let me break it down. Your mitochondria is the powerhouse of your cell. It's where all your energy is made, right? It's very, very important to keep your mitochondria in good health. Mitophagy happens when you have a recycling effect in your mitochondria, right? And this can happen by fasting. So when people fast, they get autophagy. You can also get mitophagy. Well, it turns out urolithin A is able to inflict mitophagy. It's able to cause mitophagy along with its neuroprotective effects. So you can see why this compound is very important, and you can see why I'm getting frustrated, the fact that I don't know if I'm getting it, right? So urolithin A is a very, very important compound. Now, you may be wondering, what is the importance of mitophagy? Or you may already know. Well, mitophagy is important because if, let's say for example, if you have a house or you live in a house where there is black bags filled with beans all over the floor, right? It's very difficult to move around that, yeah, because you're gonna have to be jumping around like a frog or hopping around like a frog. You're not gonna be comfortable. You can't move around comfortably, and that's what happens when your mitochondria is loaded with garbage. Basically, it doesn't perform well, and it gets to a point where it can even get you sick, seriously sick. And we don't want that. We want the mitochondria to perform well. So when you exercise or do whatever you do, you get the best out of it. So right. So basically, what urolithin A does, it causes mitochondrial biogenesis, which cleans out your mitochondria, and it also has neuroprotective effects. So you can see why this compound is important, right? So hence why pomegranates can be enjoyed because of this fantastic benefits. The only frustrating part is you don't know if your gut bacteria is producing this urolithin A because it possibly is not happening in everybody, right? But I give you one tip to this. If you have a wide variety of gut bacteria, the chances of you producing urolithin A from pomegranate is very, very high. So fermented fruits can help. Kefir, yogurt, lots of vegetables can help you get a wide range of gut bacteria so you can produce urolithin A. Anyway, guys, I thought this information might help. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.